Hey everybody. Pretty nice morning this morning, a little bit cool, but I think it's supposed to warm up later and stuff. I've got some work to do gathering some wood and stuff, and I broke a piece on this grapple, and I was going to try to get it repaired up and ready to go. That one's loose. We've got this ring right here that holds the grapple from dropping down. Let's see if I can get it off. I had it off before. Come on. Now get me a hammer. But anyways, I've had a had a piece welded on here, and it's tore out. And what that did is it came around and hit these bolts, and that keep that grapple from spinning all the way around and tearing my hoses. So I've got to try to get that fixed. And I think I'm going to grease this down in here, or spray some grease down in there or something. Some of the white lithium grease or something like that. But I'm going to try to get that fixed and repaired here. Okay. I got a little plate of metal up here to make a little work table. Instead of moving everything back there to that one. And we'll try to get this packed up. Fix it, weld it, and then I'll probably have to re-drill my hole. Hold your trigger while you're digging. Oh, it's gonna be one of them days. See what I was doing right there was trying to reshape this hole where it'd been tore out, and you can tell it's been patched a time or two. But anyways, I'm going to re-weld there, under here, and this crack here, get all that welded up, and then if I need to re-drill my hole, I'll re-drill it. But I got tacks here and here and over here first. It can't draw or twist that way. Alright, we got her welded. Welded across the front and around, welded underneath and inside. On the inside, I didn't want it to build up any, so I did a real quick pass where it had cracked out, and that way you wouldn't have to die grind it back out or anything. But now I got to go re-drill this hole, and we'll be ready to put it back. Okay. Before we put it back together, I'm going to squirt some grease and smear it right around here. Then I'm going to raise it up to where that shaft will drop down through there. I don't have any grease fittings in it. Should have put grease fittings in it when I built it, but I'll raise it up and let that shaft drop down there and put grease on the bottom side and then let it back down. Would take it all the way out, but I ain't got nobody down here to help me get it lined back up to put it back together. That'll do good. A little burr in there. They're gonna put some lock washers on that. They've never come plumb off, but they have loosened up. That will hold itself. This thing's also got a hole right here where I can pin it to where that the grapple's not swinging around, like if I was to haul it or tram it on the road or something. I usually don't use that though. Grapple fixed.